Happy New Year to every single person out there who support Yardie Belly in a foreign. At 2016, we say way up, way up, way up. You understand? We now go down none at all. Alright, you see like how most people who are of Asian descent on the New Year's, they make them famous soup jamu. Well, we are Jamaican. You understand? So we not really make no pumpkin soup today. But instead, me I decide to make some body up juice. What we call it? We call it body up juice.
Juice jamu.
No, pumpkin juice, really? We not make no juice jamu. We make juice body up juice. That me I call it. That is the famous. Alright, let me tell you what we have. We have some cinnamon. See there? Ground cinnamon may I use. We have some sweet milk. I might not end up use that because, you know, but me have it still. I have some Vitamalt with some ginseng and thing, you see? I have a dragon stout, yes, sir. Yeah, I had done now. I have a sport shake. No, me normally would I take nutriment, but sport shake I have some almond milk, I have some peanut butter, and I have three merengue pad now. I just break this open and take out the little merengue seed out it and use it, you see? And then I have some banana, yes sir. I have one egg in the fridge, but I don't know about the egg thing because my wife might know why I brought the egg in the thing, yes, because the egg might right up. But yeah, what we call this? Body up juice. So that we are going to work on right now. Blend it up and thing. You see it? And I have some, oh yeah, let me tell you what I have in another container here. Alright, in this container, I have some granola, right, with another banana. Now the granola have chocolate covered hemp seed, which is ganja seed, and it have some sunflower seed, and it have oats, stone grown oats and them thing there. It have what that's something I name again? Wow, it have one dry thing in it. We can't remember the name, Lord Jesus, and you know said them are gonna criticize me. The berry, goji berry, see that? The red something inside it, see that? Goji berry, dried goji berry, yeah? And it have some crystallized ginger. So I'm gonna blend this up with the merengue seed, you see it? And then add my rest of stuff and make a big composition. Alright, so that was saying no, I'm gonna try show you the finish thing after me done do all of this. Because I'm not going to show you the actual blending. Because I'm not really do measurements, ladies and gentlemen. So, bear with me. Alright? But I had the belly in a foreign, you know. Happy New Year, as I say, you know. To all my well-wishers, all my fans, and all my ACs. To all those who support me and those who criticize me. Yeah? Reverend Sendtohope, Jamaican comedian. Yeah? Youth minister. Everybody, all rounder. You see it? And food blogger, chef in the making, food truck owner in the future. Hey, 2016 have to be better for all the way. So I'm more up, we say more up. Like 7 up, you understand? Remember me tell you. Alright, so this is the merengue seed. See them here? Them little something here. And see me put them right here, so. That are just 3. Now, you don't need no more than 3 for the whole container or something. As a matter of fact, it no matter the size where you do. 3 is enough. You just pop them out of the merengue pods. Yeah? And this 3 is good. Let me tell you about merengue now. Merengue is a herb, right? Where them say have a whole heap of benefit to people. It's very bitter. If you try to eat one of this, it is extremely bitter. And the unique thing about it is, even though it's extremely bitter, it's extremely sweet. I can't explain it, but it's sweet and it's bitter at the same time. So we're gonna just add them 3 or 2 with thing right there, so. And then we're gonna just put some almond milk in it. And I get them almond milk from Trader Joe's, because the Trader Joe's almond milk not have no chemical, no carrageenan and. Right, I just almond milk, you see. So we're gonna add the almond milk, and we're gonna add a little of the sport shake to bring it up to the max. That's we can blend it in the thing, you see. We're gonna blend up the banana and the thing right now. Yeah, make sure them the sport shake already. I'm gonna add a little peanut. We have one pulled peanut butter, right? We have peanut butter, nothing around here, you know. I add some peanut butter. And this is natural peanut butter. Natural. Creamy, natural peanut butter. Yeah? My finger clean. Now watch my face. Yeah. Now I blend up the thing, you see? So I blend up the thing, you know, you see? And I go try blend it as long as possible to try and macerate as much of the little fine, you know, pieces as much as possible. Because I want it as creamy as possible, you know, but it have like a body to it, you see? So we're going to blend up as much as possible and then sort out from there, so. Yeah, so I blend up some already. You look at the container little, I blend and put in the bigger container. So now I go add my ginseng, my Irish mash, yeah, with ginseng to it. And I have some more banana, I have some oats, I have a little bit of coffee. Ladies and gentlemen, don't beat me as some do me thing crazy like that. I have a little bit of coffee, peanut butter, yeah, and that in a this now. I'm gonna pour this over it now and blend again, and then yeah, thing I go sort out. You see it? So here the finishing thing here, you know. I have a big jug right here, so where me and my virgin them I go drink later on, and the wifey and thing. When you could have put some alcohol in it still, like some white rum or some rum cream or anything like that, but me not really do that because I look a boy here and I make sure give him some, because I want to make sure say body up, you see it? Body up. Yeah, so me go drink this now and then me go sleep. I got my bed go sleep because New Year's. Oh Lord, help me. It is so stupendous. It is very intelligent. And it even better when the ingredients is allowed to stay in there and permeate. You understand? Yeah, that's the new word, permeate. So once the ingredients stay in there and marinate and mix and, you know, with everybody and mix up and thing, you can take it the next hour, you go back and drink some. It'll go even better. But am I New Year's thing this, you understand? Yardie Belly in a foreign. Remember to subscribe to Yardie Belly on YouTube. Go on YouTube and type in Yardie Belly TV. And then you will see my name. You can subscribe to us. You can follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Instagram, just look for Jamaican comedian sendtohope. Yeah, and this new year we do whole heap of work. We go all over the place. Go do some comedy shows and different things. So keep abreast. Stay with us. Follow us. See what go on with us. You understand? And remember, our food truck dream is still live. Yeah? GoFundMe.com/YardieBelly. Because we really want the food truck. And this year we'll come up with some new things. We're going to do some live cooking. We're going to do food takeout. And the whole heap of things are going to go on. Whole heap of things. So just keep posted. And listen, God bless each and every one. Have yourself a happy new year. And stay clear of all where go on. Some serious things go on at 2050. I wouldn't want to see none of my Jamaican people, none of my foreign people, no innocent person get killed by the system. Because right now, may I tell you the truth? Those who are supposed to be protecting us are killed more than those who are supposed to be robbing us. You understand? So stay far from all that is going on. If you're not to go there, don't go there. If it's something that is not necessary to advance you or make you become a more positive person, don't get involved in it. Nobody with the idle partying and the idle living and the idle activities. It's not necessary, don't do it. And remember for prayer. Enough prayer. Pray up. You understand? Keep God in your mind. Keep God in your heart. Yeah? And if you can go church, I'm not talking about religion. I'm talking about go find Jesus. Find God. You understand? And keep him close when you find him. So 2016, a new horizon, a new attitude, a new living. You understand? And we start with the health right here, so body up juice it name. Remember. Yardie Belly in a foreign. Peace out.